Oh, hey everybody. Welcome to another beautiful home. I'm Julian McClurkin with Vision Realty. Check this one out. Welcome to 2330 McCutcheon. This house is beautiful. And I'm starting in this kitchen because this thing is phenomenal. I mean, look at this granite countertop. Look at these brand new shaker style cabinets. Look at all this open space right here. You've got recessed lighting everywhere, a beautiful dining room should you want to use it as a dining room. We have a fireplace right over here as you step down into your living room. I love how they put the shiplap right over the fireplace. That's probably my favorite part of this room right here. All right, walking right over here, this is the main entrance. When you first come in, you can also turn to your right and you can make this an office. All right, let's head in here and look at some of these bedrooms. You got not one, not two, but 3 bedrooms on the main level. Here's the owner's suite. And look at this bathroom. I mean, goodness, dual vanities. You can take a shower, you can take a bath, you can admire yourself in the mirror. Who doesn't do that? Here's the main guest bathroom, another full bathroom, humongous basement. I mean, look how big this thing is. Look at all this space you got. You can come here, spin the ball. Whoa. First diamond cutter. So, who's ready to make a deal? Whether it's this property or any house on the market right now, reach out to me today. Julian McClurkin with Vision Realty. Till next time, see you next home.